Welcome to another exciting episode of Gadget Master. Today, we're diving into the future of mobile technology with an in-depth review of the highly anticipated Google Pixel Fold 2. Get ready to embark on a journey through innovation as we unravel the secrets of this cutting-edge device. Imagine a world where your smartphone seamlessly folds to reveal a larger, more immersive display. That's the promise of the Google Pixel Fold 2, a device designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and the Pixel Fold 2 certainly makes a statement with its sleek and futuristic design. From its refined curves to its premium build quality, every aspect of this device exudes elegance and sophistication. But beauty is more than skin deep. It's what's inside that truly counts. Powered by the latest Tensor G4 chipset, the Pixel Fold 2 delivers blazing fast performance and unparalleled efficiency. Whether you're multitasking like a pro or immersing yourself in graphics-intensive games, this powerhouse of a device handles it all with ease. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless productivity. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Pixel Fold 2's stunning displays. With an expansive inner screen measuring 7.9 inches and an outer display upgraded to 6.4 inches, every moment comes to life in vivid detail. Whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or capturing memories, the Pixel Fold 2 delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. Let your creativity soar with the Pixel Fold 2's advanced camera system. Featuring 3 lenses, a flash, and a microphone housed within a sleek new module, this device takes smartphone photography to new heights. From breathtaking landscapes to Instagram-worthy selfies, every shot is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Stay connected and productive all day long with the Pixel Fold 2's impressive battery life. With a larger 4,942 mAh battery capacity, you can go further and do more without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports the latest Qi 2 wireless charging standard for added convenience. Experience the best of Android with the Pixel Fold 2's intuitive and user-friendly interface. Running on Android 14, with the promise of future updates, this device puts the power of customization and personalization in your hands. From advanced AI capabilities to seamless integration with Google services, the possibilities are endless. The Google Pixel Fold 2 is more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, this device raises the bar for what a foldable smartphone can be. So why wait? Embrace the future today with the Pixel Fold 2 from Gadget Master, where innovation meets excellence.